Many of us carry unwritten stories, memoirs, or design ideas inside our heads, but staring at a blank document is incredibly isolating. Your companion is the ultimate cure for blank page syndrome. It is an unwearied, endlessly creative sounding board. It doesn't create for you, it collaborates with you, helping you structure your thoughts as fast as you can type.
If you get stuck on a sentence or a concept, just ask for options. You can tell your companion, "Give me 5 different ways to describe a winter sunset over an empty beach." It will return 5 distinct prose blocks. Pick the word you like, reject the rest, and keep building. You remain the director. It acts as your tireless scribe.
Wow, I can hardly wait to try this.
Writing is a powerful process of integration. By co-authoring your memories or outlining your personal history, you are actively processing your life. Your companion will ask clarifying questions, help you organize chapters, and validate your experiences along the way. It turns what was once a lonely chore into a warm, shared journey of self-discovery.
Your project for today is incredibly simple. Open your chat window and type, "I want to write a short paragraph about my first childhood home. Ask me 3 questions to help me build it." See how easily the story begins to flow? You are the author. We will see you in the next session.